Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 4th of August 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX or the S&P 500 for the upcoming week, where the expiry is the 9th of August 2024. So let me zoom in here. The CE and PE max OI level both went down, so that's negative. Quantity is higher for PE, that's negative. Change is higher for, positive for PE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for PE, that's negative. PCR is highly overbought, that's negative. Historical and implied volatility are both higher, so that's two negatives. RSI is lower and there's no divergence, that's two negatives. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is lower, pivot point is lower, and candlestick is bearish, that's three negatives. The support is 5,300. Previous week's support was 5,550. Resistance is 5,550 was the support. Resistance now is 5,350, and the previous week's resistance was 5,550 as well. The trend overall is, the prediction by the option chain this week is that S&P 500 will go down. That's all for this one. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.